In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the property of a chart in MT4 as well as save that as a template so you can always use it in a new chart. To begin with, we open up a chart in MT4. By default, it will look like that. Then you go into the chart, right click, go under property and change the scheme to black and white to begin with so it's easier. In the case of mine, I wanted to change the bullish candle to be blue, so I click on this to change it to blue. I'm sorry, this is a bearish candle, so this is red. I want it to be red for the bearish candle, but bullish candle is blue. Same for the bear candle, red. The same for the outline as well, so for the bullish candle it's going to be blue. Then I want to take away the volume, so I click on this, click on none, and that will be it. So this will be the default chart that I want. Then I don't want any kind of interference over here. I don't want all these indicators. So what I can do is I can right click on this, go on the indicator list, and I can remove whatever indicator is on the chart first. Delete this away, close it. I don't want this grid over here in the back of the chart as well. So I go over here, right click, go on the property. Under the grid, instead of silver, I click on none and I click OK. So this will be aka a naked chart. So in order for me to use this again and again without trying to do that settings repeatedly, what I can do is I can right click on the chart, go to template, save template, and name this template. So in the case of this, I'll be naming this as blank candles template. Okay, and I click save. Every time I open a new chart, okay, so let's say I open a new chart right now and it looks like that. So what I can do is go on right click, go on the template, click on blank candles template, which I've just saved, and this will give me the blank chart with the setting that I've saved. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and be notified when I have new videos. Let me know what you'd like me to show, and I'll show you in the next video.